Okay, so as you can see now, you saw it through the app and look at it here.
Low battery, powering off.
So right now it's at 1% and it won't charge. Okay, you can see here, I got my multimeter on it and I am touching the contacts and we have 20 volts DC. Repeating the same test on the battery, it's got almost nothing of charge. 70 millivolts. Okay, here's the Deebot, and here's the battery I purchased on Amazon, Amazon Prime, and it came, it did arrive in, it took 3 days to arrive, and it was just under $28, because currently it has a coupon that knocks $4.50 off the price. So I have removed the cleaning tray because I keep water in there, and so I don't want any spilling here. And so I'm going to flip this over. Okay, and there are 8 screws that will have to come out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And on my for my iFixit case, I'm going to be using the PH1 size Phillips. And let's get started. Now I'll remove this plate here. Okay, one off. Okay. Red one. Okay, so now, there we go. That was it. Here's our huckleberry. Okay. And these 2 screws have to come out as well. Okay. Okay, now it should be fairly easy to remove. I'm gonna got a flat head now. So I can just pry underneath there. Gotta be careful though, because it does have a connection. So you can see there's that connector. So I need to remove that as well. Let's see if I can just pry one side and pry the other one up a little bit. Because I don't want to break anything. All gentle. There it goes. Okay, so that's off now. This is the defunct battery, and this now is the replacement for it. And the connector is notched. Align these. There we go. Okay, now it's time to set the battery inside. You notice there's a label on one side. And see the general shape of the battery there. I'm going to place the label facing towards where this metal plate will place. That's how I had the original. And that lets me tuck the wires down inside there. Because it does appear that the wires on this one are slightly longer than on the original. Whether that's true or not, doing it this way does get them to fit. Okay, now I'm going to put the metal plate on. Okay, let's get this back on now. There and there. Okay, I thought it was going to be something that snapped in place. It looks like it just kind of rests. Here, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Flex this just a little bit to get it in place because it does snap on this side. And likewise here, just pull up a little bit, let it flex, get in place. Okay, now time to start putting the screws on. Okay, even though it said it was powering off because of low battery charge, now you can see that the light is low white and kind of pulsating, and that's what it indicates when it's charging. Let me see if it actually comes up that way in the app.